Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and also subscribe button. You're watching a live trade of us trading NASDAQ futures. Now you notice right here that there's a lot of red bars. The market opened up and fell very fast. So what do? You wait for the right trade setup. If you notice, we see a green bar starting to form. This looks like a reversal pattern to us, right? So when we say look like, that means that we trade with probabilities. And since we've been trading for a long period of time, we get in this trade because it looks like a reversal pattern as well as a bounce off of support play. So now the bars are starting to turn green, which is a very good sign that the market is trying to retrace higher. So since we've been trading for a long period of time, we get in with 5 contracts anticipating a nice push higher. This is a nice clean trade setup. So when you're trading or investing in any market, you want to have a nice clean trade setup. That means that you want to know why you are getting in a trade. See, at theprofitroom.com, we teach our students how to trade within reason and trade setups. So many people may show profits, but they can't explain to you why they got in the trade. So that's why we're here. And if you watch many of our videos, as you look on the YouTube and any other social network, we try to explain why we got in the trade. So this trade is starting to work out. Now, as advanced traders, we start to scale. Now, originally I had 5 contracts. Now I'm down to 3. Now, what is the reason for that? You want to start pulling that money out of the market. You want to start pulling that money back in the bank. Why? Because the purpose of trading is to generate income. This is starting to be a nice clean trade. We're starting to see that extra push that we're looking for. Very clean, controlled trade. Now we have 2 contracts left. Now this is very great for us to be in a position like this because now we can almost sit back and relax because our money is already made. So as a newbie, if you see $700-800 within a minute or so, take the money. Take the money, because that's amazing profits. Now we have this one runner where we're looking for that extra gravy, Now you gotta watch, because this is where the greed steps in. We had almost $300 in this one runner, and we end up getting stopped out, losing $60. Bummer, right? But we still green on the trade. So we sit back and wait. As you notice, the channel up and down is right here. We notice that the movement is starting to play out. Now, as technical traders and how we train our students, we can anticipate a fall going lower because we had support, then we had resistance. We get in with only 2 contracts now. Why is that? Risk management. We made our money already, right? So this is an extra little bonus. We get out 1 contract, now we're letting this one run. The same runner, right? So this is starting to drop. Easy controlled trade, right? Controlled trade. Remember, you don't want to get in a trade and not know why you have gotten in that trade. And it's very important when you see people post profits. Ask them, why did you get in the trade? What is the explanation behind it? Did you go super red before you went green? Very important. And that's what we teach our students here at theprofitroom.com. Risk management is the priority before any trade that we enter in. We need to know what we're willing to lose, and we know what we want to make out of the trade. So this trade actually worked out. This was a great trade. We was able to take 1 trade in the morning, right? Then about 15 minutes later, we took another trade. And all this was done in under 20 minutes. Great, amazing day. We made a little bit over $1,600 in 18 minutes. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com, where we focus on education, application, and success. We'll see you soon.